Welcome to Snap-on Training Solutions. This module is designed to help you get the most out of your ETHOS Edge diagnostic tool and covers the use of global OBD-II scanner functions. I'm Jim Moritz, Global Field Trainer and Sales Support Representative. Global OBD-II scanner coverage is strictly related to emissions-related coverage and is universal in that all vehicles sold in the U.S. and Canada since 1996 must comply with this standard. All 10 modes of OBD-II are covered by this tool and are accessed by selecting the OBD-II icon on the home screen. All service modes are not supported by all vehicles, so the available menu selections will vary. Note, some vehicles do not support all 10 modes, so results will vary. Let's start by exploring the OBD direct functions. This opens a menu of two choices: OBD Diagnose and OBD Training Mode. Training Mode allows you to navigate through the menus and see results without being connected to a vehicle. This is a good way to explore OBD-II capabilities. For this demonstration, we will select OBD Diagnose to diagnose a vehicle. Let's select connector information to see where to find the data link connector, or DLC, on the vehicle. Let's choose an Alfa Romeo. Some of these models may not be familiar in the U.S., but all vehicles are included in global OBD-II, so you always know you have emissions coverage on any vehicle. Let's select model 147. Here's the connector location. Have you ever searched for a connector that was not in the usual place? The Data Link Connector Locator makes it easy. Now select Continue. Coverage includes all 10 modes of OBD-II and readiness monitors, which are very important when verifying emissions repairs. Readiness monitors provide a status report on emissions-related systems. Some monitor reports require an extensive drive cycle in order to complete the requirements of the test. Results are shown for each monitor, whether the monitor is supported by the vehicle and whether the drive cycle test is complete for each monitor. Critical monitor tests must be complete in order for the vehicle to be ready for an emission test. Let's take a brief look at the valuable information available in each of the 10 modes of OBD-II. Mode 1 displays live data parameters for engine and emission systems. This is typically your first step when diagnosing a check engine light. Mode 2 displays freeze frame data. This is a record of vehicle data parameters captured at the moment a fault code was set. This can give valuable insight into the operating conditions of the vehicle at the time of the fault. Mode 3 displays the OBD-II trouble codes currently set by the vehicle. OBD-II fault codes are standard for every vehicle manufacturer. The code definition is also shown on the right to explain the meaning of the code. Mode 4 provides an easy method to turn off the malfunction indicator lamp after a repair. Caution: this also clears freeze frame data, pending codes, and readiness monitors, so this should usually be the last step in your repair process. Modes 5, 6, and 7 display data parameters related to oxygen sensors, saved results of manufacturer-specific tests, and trouble codes detected during the last drive cycle. This is useful in determining the root cause of recurring fault codes. Mode 8 allows a service technician to invoke an onboard test to seal the evaporative system for a pressure test. This function varies by manufacturer. For example, on Ford systems, this closes the canister vent solenoid for 10 minutes. Mode 9 can read the vehicle identification number as well as the calibration and ID numbers for the engine control unit, or ECU. Mode 9 Performance Tracking displays a record of the number of times each of the readiness monitors have been completed. Mode 10 displays diagnostic trouble codes with permanent status. These codes are stored in the powertrain control module for 400 days and cannot be cleared. Remember, for easy navigation, you can use the back icon at any time to step back one screen and the home icon as a shortcut to the main menu. Snap-on is dedicated to helping you get the most out of your diagnostic tool and keep your customers happy. Be sure to watch the rest of the modules in this Training Solutions series.